Hey, I'm looking at this snapping together of the vignette systems. So this is what they look like apart, and you can see these three little plastic clips that are on either side obviously fit into these holes. And I think it's possible, if it's ever been disassembled, that when they go together, clear the buttons, they just appear to be together. But what you have to do is really check for that click, and on both sides. But you should not be able to press hard enough to push those through if they are fully mounted. So in disassembling, just take a small screwdriver, and you have to do this on both sides. But I've had this one apart quite a number of times and back together, and I don't think that these things should have shaved off. So please do check that they are just completely seated and mounted firmly. Like I said, they're pretty tough.